Every Samsung smartphone begins deep within the Earth's raw minerals. Purity is forged long before a smartphone takes shape. Extreme heat transforms raw minerals into the heart of modern technology. Precision begins at the atomic level inside Samsung's supply chain. Hidden metals give Samsung smartphones their power and intelligence. Energy storage begins in carefully controlled industrial chemistry. Strength and clarity are crafted layer by layer. Now the journey moves toward the factory, where millions of Samsung smartphones are born. Every component travels through a carefully synchronized industrial network.
Convoy lead to base, approaching gates. Cargo secure.
Battery materials arrive under strict precision and safety controls. Even microscopic vibration can affect the future of a display. The processor's journey demands absolute environmental control. Global supply chains converge to feed the world's smartphone demand. Automation keeps Samsung's manufacturing flow in constant motion. Every shipment is verified before entering Samsung's production ecosystem. Inside these walls, millions of Samsung smartphones begin taking form. This is where Samsung transforms raw technology into millions of smartphones. Every shift begins with strict coordination and precision. Contamination control protects every microscopic component.
Please ensure all gear is properly sealed before entering the airlock.
Absolute cleanliness defines modern smartphone manufacturing. Inside Samsung's factory, every second is engineered for efficiency. Millions of parts move through a perfectly timed industrial rhythm. An invisible network controls every movement across the factory. Now the transformation from raw materials to smartphone truly begins. Every Samsung smartphone begins with absolute surface perfection. Even a single particle can compromise an entire display. Automation organizes thousands of components every minute. Each processor is inspected at a microscopic level before assembly. Reliable power begins with carefully balanced battery cells. Clarity depends on microscopic precision, invisible to the human eye. Every millimeter must match Samsung's exact engineering standards. Now the separate components prepare to become a single device. Thousands of microscopic connections form the brain of every Samsung smartphone. Heat and precision permanently bind the smartphone's electronic core. Controlled cooling protects the delicate circuitry from microscopic damage. Artificial intelligence detects flaws invisible to the human eye. The display becomes the face of every Samsung smartphone. Samsung's cameras are aligned to capture the world with precision. The smartphone finally takes its complete physical form. Now the hardware awakens with Samsung's intelligent software. Every touch response is tuned for speed and precision. Display perfection defines the Samsung smartphone experience. Every speaker is engineered for balanced and immersive sound. Durability testing ensures Samsung smartphones survive real-world conditions. Invisible energy transfer is refined with exact engineering. The final exterior finish prepares each device for inspection. Millions of Samsung smartphones now come fully to life. Automation keeps Samsung smartphone production moving without interruption. Artificial intelligence organizes thousands of devices every hour. Self-guided transport systems eliminate delays across the factory. Invisible sensors are calibrated for flawless daily performance. Extreme conditions reveal the true strength of Samsung engineering. Precision automation catches defects before devices ever leave the factory. Behind the factory floor, digital systems control every operation. Perfect synchronization allows Samsung to produce smartphones at massive scale. Final visual perfection is checked one device at a time. Every edge is refined to Samsung's exact finishing standards. Each Samsung smartphone receives a unique production identity. Protective finishing preserves every surface before delivery. Precision optics are tuned for perfect image clarity. Even the smallest physical interaction is carefully engineered. Final power verification confirms every device is ready for use. Now every Samsung smartphone faces its final inspection. Before reaching customers, every Samsung smartphone faces rigorous inspection. Durability is tested far beyond normal everyday use. Structural integrity is measured under extreme mechanical stress. Water resistance testing ensures protection in unpredictable conditions. Wireless communication is calibrated for global connectivity. Long-term battery reliability is verified through non-stop testing.
Display clarity is perfect. Camera alignment and button feel are good.
Cosmetically perfect. Approved. Human expertise delivers the final approval beyond automation. Protection ensures every device arrives in perfect condition. And this is how Samsung smartphones are built, from raw materials to your hands. Samsung smartphones travel across continents to reach every corner of the world. Only fully certified devices continue toward global distribution. Each Samsung smartphone is carefully prepared for the hands of customers worldwide. From factory floor to global roads, the journey continues. Every package carries a unique identity for global tracking and delivery. Every region receives its share of Samsung innovation.
Scan complete. Prepared for APAC.
Millions of smartphones are organized for global distribution.